In this problem, we want to differentiate implicitly to find the second derivative of y with respect to x. So I'm going to start by finding the first derivative, and my equation is 2x cubed minus y cubed equals 3. So for the term 2x cubed, the derivative is 6x squared. And then I go to take the derivative of the second term. Now this has a y in it, so when I take the derivative and I get minus 3y squared, I need to multiply by the derivative of y with respect to x, and I'm just going to put that in as a y prime. Equals, and then the other side is 3, the derivative is 0, that's pretty straightforward. So now I can solve this equation for y prime. I have 6x squared equals 3y squared y prime. So that means that y prime equals 6x squared over 3y squared. And I can simplify that and get 2x squared over y squared. Okay, so now I'm ready to find the second derivative. So the derivative of y prime is y double prime, which is the same thing as d squared y dx squared. All right. So now I'm going to take the derivative of this expression, and I'm going to use the quotient rule. So I start with the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and that is 2y y prime. And this is all over the denominator squared, which is y to the fourth. So now I can simplify this, and I have 4xy squared minus 4x squared y times y prime, and that's all over y to the fourth. Now I want to replace y prime with this expression. So I have 4x y squared minus 4x squared y times 2x squared over y squared. And that's still all over y to the fourth. So a little more simplifying to do. I have a y and a y squared, so I can cancel and just have a y in the bottom. So now I have 4xy squared minus 4 times the 2 gives me 8. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth, and this is over y, and that's all over y to the fourth. So now one thing left to do, and that's to simplify my complex fraction. So I'm going to multiply the numerator by y over 1 and the denominator by y over 1. So I get 4x y to the third minus 8x to the fourth. So the y multiplied here, that's why that's y to the third, the y multiplied by here, and the y's canceled out, over y to the fifth. And that is my final answer.